So what's the secret to getting even more speaking invitations? It's pretty simple. Do more interesting things on a regular basis. Say more interesting things in social media, YouTube video, Facebook video. Write books, write blog posts, write on medium.com. Be a part of other people's conversations. Be putting out other ideas and then adding your own to it. The people who get the most speaking gigs are frankly the busiest people in the world because they're doing so many other things, whether they're making actual physical inventions or making new policies, if they're politicians. They are a constant whirl of activity. If you're sitting back thinking, how do I get invited to give a speech next week, so such and such place so I can pay rent last month, you're going about it the wrong way. Think about what ideas do you have to share with the world? What unique ideas, what creative ideas do you have? And then share those. Podcast, as a guest, on your own show, videos, text, blogging. Put your ideas out in the world. As you build an audience, build a following, the invitations will follow. I'm TJ Walker. I help people speak and communicate more effectively. If you'd like more tips, you can get some of my books for free just by going to MediaTrainingWorldwide.com. You can also learn about our upcoming media training workshops and public speaking workshops there as well.